10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. And liftoff of the Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go NROL 145.
Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
At T plus 35 seconds and counting, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Slick 4E at Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. In case you're just joining us, this is the NROL 145
Power and
mission
telemetry nominal
for the National Reconnaissance Office. We just had an on-time liftoff today
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
at 5:29 a.m. Pacific time. Coming up next, the vehicle will be passing through Max Q, which is the point in the mission program.
Main engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC ignition.
And a good series of back-to-back callouts there, which again were MECO, stage separation, and SES-1.
Coming up shortly, we should hear a call out for fairing separation, but as a reminder, we will not be showing it on screen.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Good call out there. We are currently at T plus 3 minutes into today's mission. Now the next major milestones coming up in about 3 minutes from now will be entry burn of the Falcon 9 booster as it continues its journey towards drone ship Of Course I Still Love You stationed in the Pacific Ocean. To start the entry burn, we will relight 3 M1D engines, which is similar to pumping the brakes to slow down the vehicle as it passes.
Coming up in the next 10 seconds, we will have the landing burn of the first stage, which is where engine 9 will relight. And the landing burn is the final burn of the Falcon 9 booster, used to reduce the remaining
Stage
speed
1 landing burn
of the vehicle for a gentle and precise landing on our drone
Stage
ship.
2 terminal guidance.
We are now waiting for Falcon 9 to land on our drone ship Of Course I Still Love You stationed in the Pacific.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Landing confirmed.